Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video, we're going to make a creamy coffee jelly. This video is in collaboration with Mr. Hat Gulaman. They sent me a loot bag together with some of their products for me to try. Thank you, Mr. Hat Gulaman! So, if you want to know how to make this creamy coffee jelly, just keep on watching. For our ingredients, we need 1 cup of sugar, white, 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. I used Nescafe, 2 packs of Mr. Hat Gulaman, white and unflavored, 1 can of condensed milk, 3 packs of all-purpose cream. I used Magnolia all-purpose cream. Here also, we need a mixing bowl, a hand mixer, but if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use your wire whisk. A pan for the mold for our gulaman, but if you don't have pan, you can use any deep dish to mold our gulaman. And a food container so that we can put our coffee jelly. In 2 liters of water, let's add our coffee, our 4 tablespoons of instant coffee, and our 1 cup of sugar. Just mix it well, and after we add our sugar, we can now add our Mr. Hat Gulaman, white and unflavored. After we mix all the ingredients, we can now cook our gulaman for about 5 to 8 minutes and wait until it boils. So you see that there's a bubbles on top of our gulaman, and now it's boiling. We can now turn off the heat and transfer our gulaman into the pan. Now I am transferring the gulaman into the molding pan, and here I use the sifter or strainer to remove the excess, if you can see, and set aside. And while waiting, we can now do our creamer. And for our creamer, we have the 3 Magnolia all-purpose cream, the 1 can of condensed milk. You can use any brand of condensed milk, and mix it until it gets thicker, until it gets doubled. Now that our gulaman is ready, we can now cut it into cubes or bite size or any size that you prefer. So now, we will transfer our sliced gulaman into another mixing bowl so that we can put or add our creamer. So our creamer will be divided into half. The half will go to the gulaman and the half will go for the toppings of our coffee jelly. Okay, let's add the creamer. You can always add gulaman into the mixed gulaman and creamer if you want. As much gulaman as you want to add, you can do that. It's optional. If you want much creamer, don't put too much gulaman. But if you want more gulaman rather than creamer, you can do that. So now I am adding some of the gulaman, because I have a lot of creamer, if you can see. Now we're ready to transfer the mixed coffee jelly into the container. So the remaining gulaman will be set aside. That will go for the toppings. we will start our portioning. Okay, so we have our food container. We will put 1 cup of coffee jelly with creamer. And if you want more creamer, you can add 1/2 of it. If you can see, I add half of creamer. And just do the same to the rest of the food container. In this mixture, I have 9 container. I have 9, yeah. I did 9 coffee jelly. 9 container of coffee jelly. Yummers. Some of you want a little sweeter, so instead of adding sugar, you can just add half can of condensed milk. Half cup of creamer. Yummers. And now, this is the final look of our creamy coffee jelly. I add more GULAMAN on top and sprinkled instant coffee powder for added coffee flavor. So that's it. Hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I uploaded a new video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.